With SigmaTech Smart Maintenance, it's easier than ever to keep track of your PLC while minding your own business. Data is monitored and analyzed globally, only notifying you when really needed. Firstly, the motors are calibrated and moved to the initial position. This is conveniently done via the connected panel. The motors are then set in motion. From this point on, the relevant motor data, for instance, current and temperature values, are sent to the Ixon cloud using the Ixon router. On the cloud, the raw data can be viewed as simple graphs and can be securely viewed from anywhere in the world. Using the API from Ixon and high-level programming language, the data can be retrieved from the cloud and processed further. Using a sophisticated algorithm, the data is evaluated in real time and, if required, a short message notification is sent directly to the mobile phone. The user is thus informed about the real-time status of the system at all times and can initiate further steps if necessary.